scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Fruit fly genetics looks scary, but this one is quick if you track the sex-linked cross carefully and turn the F2 total into expected counts. Assume yellow is an X-linked mutant allele, so a yellow female must be XYXY, and a wild-type male is X plus Y, giving F1 daughters wild type and sons yellow. Now cross those F1 flies. The female is X plus XY and the male is XYY, which produces 4 equally likely F2 groups, each taking 1/4. From those 4 groups, wild-type females are 1/4 and yellow-bodied males are also 1/4, so each expected count is 1/4 of 492. Well done, Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given information, then check each cross step before choosing counts.